Oh my god. I think it's around 6:20. I just did a very short run at this basement garage. It's raining again. And my body is just so fucking exhausted. So I thought I'll just get these routines finished. Since I'm already up, I wouldn't want to do it later during the day. So I should just push myself a bit and get them finished. Yeah, at this point I wouldn't even consider not doing them for just one day. All these routines become part of my identity. I do them every day because I am this kind of people. I am a writer, I am a runner, I'm a speaker, and I'm a reader. I'm also a meditator. Right. I'm trying to become a better person with these routines. I believe in the benefits of doing these routines. Otherwise, how are we gonna spend our life? We repeat every day, yet we're not really doing much, right? We work. I have work. But what about work? What about other time that we're not working on anything important? Alright. I'm just talking to myself. I barely talked to anyone yesterday. And I think it's not so ideal for me to become a better speaker. So, but what other choice I have? I wouldn't take a big chunk of time to socialize during the day because I have lots of work that require me to focus and just be alone. I cannot just hang out with friends and, I gotta stay quiet. Alright. Thanks for watching this. Just another ordinary morning for me. I think I just walked past some spider web. I hope there are no spiders. Bye bye.